How to create a picture collage to your CapCut videos. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create a collage from videos and pictures, first of all tap open your CapCut application. Once it is opened, click on new project. Once that is done, you'll be landed to this page. From here, select the picture that you want to add on the collage. Once that is done, tap on add. Next step would be to add the aspect ratio. So you can choose from different options of your choice of the screen. Once you have done so, next would be to arrange the size in the picture. For this, click on the picture once and shrink it in the screen. Now move it to the corner that you want to place it. Once that is done, to add another picture, from the bottom corner, you have to click on overlay. Once you click on overlay, tap on add overlay and select another picture. Now follow the same process, which is rearrange the picture on the screen. Once that is done, you can add as many pictures as you want. This is one way to add pictures. Likewise, for the next way, go back to the previous page and click on templates. From here, on search template list, tap on collage. This way, it will provide you with lots of options that you can use to add the pictures in collage. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.